Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. After Nano Banana got released, many people have tried different things on it and they have shown their creativity and they have also shared that on social media. So in this video, we will review that. Also, we will see the use cases that you also can try it with Nano Banana. So this is the first one that I have found very interesting, that make image daytime and isometric temple only. So here you see that this was the image and he has generated this isometric view, and look at the detailing. And one thing you can do, that you can download this image and you can upload it to this Microsoft Copilot 3D and you can make this 3D kind of image also. Here you see this is amazing, cool, right? So if you don't know that Copilot 3D how to use, you can go to our channel and you can watch this AI news video. It is completely free to use. Okay, the next one example is from the Bilal Sidhu. Here you see, since Nano Banana has Gemini's world knowledge. Now this is interesting thing is that if you want to spot any particular place in our world, and if that place is famous, then this Nano Banana will easily recognize that place. And you can just upload screenshot of the real world and ask it to annotate the stuff for you, and it will do that. And here you see that this is the simple prompt he has given, so you can try it on. Let's say you want to annotate this Trans-America Pyramid in USA, so you just tell it that please annotate this particular place from this image, and it will annotate that like this way, and also it will give you that more info example also. And here you see another example, San Francisco Ferry Building, on which year it was built, and this open time, date and year, and this purpose, all of that things. And here you see Palace B Fine Arts, and this is the front view and top view, all of that things it will recognize and it will do that task for you. And this is another interesting example, is that restoring the first photograph ever taken with the help of Nano Banana. Here you see that this is the photograph and this is the old one, and with Nano Banana this is the bottom one. You can restore it, and you see that the way it has restored, you will think that you have taken this image currently with the help of camera, right? This is very interesting. And this is another interesting thing, and I was also amazed. Here you see that on the left hand side there is a two person, and on the right hand side there is a two cartoon picture, and one person is hitting another person with the leg. And when you will give these two things, this left side and right side, to Nano Banana, and this is the output. Here you see that in real output, the one person is hitting the another person with this leg, and also it has kept this left side two person also, and the hair and the dress all are same. This is another interesting example or use case. Here you see that Nano Banana from Google just dropped today, and this one is from the DD. And the best use case that I heard so far is taking objects out of the picture, and this is interesting. Here you see that in this picture there are various different types of object, but when you request a Nano Banana to show only this ship or this Titanic, you can say, from this image, then here you see that this is the output that you will get. And again you can upload it to this 3D Copilot 3D and you can use that. And the next example is this one. This one is very interesting and funny, because here you see that you can make this kind of image, that where one woman is holding one packet, and you can use that image and upload it to that VO3 and you can generate the video. Okay, and if I play this video you will be amazed. Here you see,
I never start my day without my Greens Cubs. They're packed with superfoods, greens, and vitamins, all in one tasty gummy.
this is interesting, right? So you can actually do that advertisement also with the help of VO3 plus this Nano Banana combination. And there is another example. Here you see that Mark Zuckerberg and Sam Altman having dinner together, and this is example. And this is another replace outfit. Here you see that on the left hand side there is a woman with one outfit, on the right hand side there is a dress, and when you will give this two outfit image to this Nano Banana, it will place this right hand side dress to this woman. Here you see. And this is another example, removing people in pictures. So here you see that you can remove this Donald Trump pictures from this image. So we generally do this kind of things in Photoshop, right? And we can do easily with the help of one prompt without Photoshop. So this is actually very scary. And here you see you can change the trace in any image, and also you can change the background also. Here you see that change the background to Marrakech and the close to this person. Okay, and also adding text to this picture. Here you see that this woman is holding this book, and here you see this is the prompt that put a Google logo and a banana on her folder, and Japanese this salary woman meme. Okay, and here you see this is the output, Google logo and banana on this book. Okay, and this was another things. And when you will keep this kind of pictures with some other pictures, then it will merge that. Okay, redesign your interior. If you want to do that, you can do that also. Just upload your home and do get the suggestion that what it should look like if you do this kind of things. Okay, and Elon Musk as a rapper. Here you see this is very interesting, this is very funny. And you do not need Photoshop anymore. This is another example. Here you see this photo is boring and flat. Enhance it, increase contrast, boost coloring, and make it richer. And here you see that this is the interesting output from this image, from this boring image to enhance output and richer image. Okay, and another interesting thing is that this person have shared some of the good and bad of this Nano Banana, and we will see that. But before that, let me show you this one. This Nano Banana versus God Imagine, and with the help of same prompt, the left hand side is this from the Nano Banana, and the right hand side is from the God Imagine. Now here you see that Elon Musk is saying that Imagine turns out better in this case. I don't know why he is telling this one, because uh, I can see that the both image is better. Okay, left hand side is also better, right hand side is also better, but I don't know why he's saying that Imagine output is better. If you can understand, then you can put it in the comment section also. Now let's see that why he's telling it as a good. Here is style transfer works really well. Object reference works amazingly. Minor and major corrections come out very well. Changing selective colors seem its bread and butter, and can do basic Photoshop like enhancement well, adding contrast, brightness, and also adding text. Relighting a scene is no problem. Changing facial expression is very good. Can do a good job with text removal. Adjusting characters position is good. Does pick up on detail. Removing background is superb. We have also seen, and this is the bad things that he has mentioned. I don't have found personally this bad scene. And if you read these things, if you get some connections with these bad points, then please comment down below in comment section, because I personally don't have any objection with this Nano Banana. So you can try it on. One thing is that what I have seen, that if you upload one image to this Nano Banana, and if its size is 16:9 or 9:16, then the output also is 9:16 or 16:9, means the same as the uploaded image. But in case of Coin, if you see that they have the option to change that ratio 1:1 to 9:16 or 16:9. So that thing this Nano Banana don't have. And if this option is available in this Nano Banana, then it will be amazing. Okay, so guys, I have this I have so I think that this video is helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also to get this type of videos more. And another thing is that here you see that cursor alternative keto ID. This is free until September 15, and this is the dark secret behind JavaScript Deno versus Oracle fight. You can watch this video, and there are many interesting videos that I have published on our channel, so you can go and check out that videos.